Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on Discord. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. So we can see there's a Discord app right there. I'm going to tap it. So we just landed in our Discord app, and on the bottom right corner there's a U button. I just tapped it there, and we can see here are options for edit profile, add status. So for the profile picture, I'm going to tap on edit profile, and we can see there's on a pencil on the top of Sharon 123 on my name. I tapped it there as well. So we could see there's the two options: change avatar, get animated avatars. So for the animated avatars, we have to pay. So I'm simply going to tap on change avatar, and here we could see AI gallery photos and nearby. So I'm tapping on AI gallery. So here are a lot of pictures we could add on my profile of Discord. So I'm simply going to pick one of them just like this and tap on the right button, which is on top right corner. I tapped it, and there's a save button on top right corner as well, and I'm going to tap it there as well. So we just changed our profile picture, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below if you have any queries.